2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB for sale in Central City, Colorado 80427 right outside of Denver, Colorado. This 2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB is ready to redefine your camping experiences. This hybrid trailer features a creative floor plan with one awning that will comfortably accommodate up to 5 guests. This Airstream is ready to help you truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Airstream comes with plenty of storage space both inside and out. Get ready to make this 2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB your next home away from home. This versatile hybrid offers the convenience of residential living right on the campsite. This is a top-of-the-line Airstream Classic with all the bells, whistles, and automation. You can control many features of this Airstream right from your phone. Forgot to put the awning in before you left? No problem. Just do it from your phone. Turn lights or AC on/off from your mobile device. Forgot where you left the Airstream? It will tell you where it is. Still under Airstream manufacturer warranty, ~1.5 years left, 50 amp 2 ACs, front and back, auto raise/lower queen short bed, built-in Wi-Fi WeBoost, cellular solar, 3 panels, full-size shower and an outdoor shower. Work desk project and screen for 65 dB in the main cabin bedroom TV. One of her coolest features is her smart control technology. You can control and monitor the Classic's most important features from anywhere. Turn the exterior and interior lights on and off, extend and retract the awning, adjust the air conditioner or heat pump, and monitor tank and battery levels, all from the app on your phone or device. You can also use GPS to navigate back to your trailer, and use 4G LTE data or the boosted Wi-Fi signal to stay connected. The most storage of any Airstream, the Classic holds it all, from an abundance of large cabinets to spacious wardrobes and vanity storage. Residential style kitchen, the galley has a stove, hood, oven, convection microwave, and refrigerator/freezer. All high-end, sleek, and stainless. Plus, Corian countertops, a large stainless steel sink, and a Kohler faucet add to the style. 65 HD projection TV. In the Classic 33 QFB floor plan you get a dedicated living and lounging area with a projection entertainment system. The 60 screen lowers from the upper cabinet with the touch of a button on a remote, and is perfectly located across from the reclining sofa. Turn on cinema mode to dim the lights, lower the shades, activate the Bose sound bar, and have the ultimate movie night experience. Powered queen bed, adjust to sit or sleep more elevated, lie flat, or rest somewhere in between. The powered bed lets you choose your perfect sleep, with controls located right beside the bed. Quietstream Climate Control, the ducted air conditioning system easily and quickly cools the cabin in relative silence. It even features a heat pump to pull ambient heat from the air. Doorbell, there is a LED doorbell at the entrance of the Airstream Power Awning. A power awning opens with the push of a button. Premium audio experience, the Polk stereo has Bluetooth connectivity, and SiriusXM satellite in the main coach as well as the bedroom. Rear view monitoring, a rear view camera is mounted to the back of the trailer to make backing up and parking so much easier. This 2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. This hybrid trailer is ready to hit the road and make your traveling dreams come true. This 2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB is priced very competitively, so call today for more information on how you experience everything this fantastic 2019 Airstream Classic 33 FQB has to offer.